Okay, welcome to episode 7 of the funding challenge. Um, so it is currently Thursday, and I made a video for Tuesday's trades. Well, okay, wait, no, technically it's okay. So this video is for Wednesday's trades, but it's 1 a.m. That's why it's Thursday. So this video is for Wednesday's trades, Wednesday the 17th of July 2024. I made and uploaded a video for Monday's trades, but I didn't make a video for yesterday's trades because yesterday I was just so tired. I was exhausted after training. I literally came home, I ate, and as soon as I showered, I went on my bed for like a few minutes and I just fell asleep. So I wanted to like film and edit, but like I'm sorry, I just couldn't. So today I'm gonna be going through Tuesday's trades and today's trades. So we are not doing well this week. We are off to a bad week. So Monday, you guys saw I lost 2 trades, and yesterday, Tuesday, I lost 2 trades, and today, I lost 1 trade. So I'm obviously on a losing streak right now. That's why I'm not gonna take the second trade today. Just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it at that 1L because I don't feel like going even further down in drawdown, and I think it would just be good for my own risk management practice if I can just notice that I am on a losing streak right now and just take it easy. Don't try revenge trade. Don't try like panic and like take some shit trades to try to get out of drawdown and then put myself further in drawdown. So I don't want to be doing any of that. Yeah, it's just good for me personally in my own mind to know when I can stop. When I want to stop, I will stop. When I tell myself I'm going to stop trading for the day, I follow my word with that. So that's like my reason for only taking 1 trade, and also after analyzing my losing trades this week, so I've lost literally 5 trades this week, and I'm like, I have noticed what I've done wrong, so these conditions, these high time frame conditions aren't favorable for me to trade in. And I can trade them, but I've been trading them the wrong way. So let's get into the analysis. These were the 2 trades I lost yesterday, and this was the 1 trade I lost today. This I'm not taking, this is just a forward test. So if we go on the 4-hour, I will show you guys something. During this period of price action right here, I had a very good win rate, around 50%. During this price action, it was a bit lower, but we were still profitable. But right here, we have not been profitable at all. We have not been. So these high volume trending conditions, obviously I don't have any data on this, so I'm collecting my data on this now. And normally how I trade is after a very strong high time frame sweep like this of either the daily or the 4-hour, I'll take a 1-minute shift. So here we have a 4-hour sweep, and the 1-minute shift here was a break even. After this 4-hour sweep, the 1-minute shift here was a win. There was another good trade short here. We had a very good retracement after this. So I like when price moves like this. We have strong move up, deep retracement, strong move up, and a deep retracement, and a strong move up, and a deep retracement. That is when I can like trade the best, and I'm very like happy right now because I've noticed this and I've realized this. This is what a lot of profitable traders talk about, that you will go through times when you're winning a lot of trades and you feel like you're on top of the world. You've had 1 or 2, 3, maybe even profitable weeks in a row, and then that week or two will come, or those couple of days will come where you can't win a trade. And it's not the strategy, it's just it is the strategy, but it is not the time to be trading a strategy. Your strategy isn't going to work in all types of market conditions. You have to know when to just wait. Like during this period, I'll have multiple setups a day, but during periods like this, I could go a whole week without not having a single setup. So that's just the way it is, and that's what's difficult in trying to become a consistent trader, is that like I'm practicing for market conditions like this and like this, But then there's periods like this and like this where I'm a bit just shit at trading. And you just have to become consistent with one strategy, but then you also have to become consistent with adapting to different conditions where you have to trade a different variation of your strategy or just don't trade at all. But that's what I'm realizing now, and I am happy. I've realized my mistake, what I've been doing this week. So currently I'm down 2.5% on the account. We're actually down 2.7%, but $20 of that, or 0.2% of that, is not because of me. That's just because of spreads and other things that come with funded challenges. But 2.5% down, like in terms of trades, that's the amount of trades I've lost. 0.5% each trade, so I've lost 5 trades this week. And yeah, so last week I finished break even. This week I'm down 2.5%, and it's Wednesday. So yeah, that's kind of what I've realized about my higher time frame conditions. When I can trade well and when I don't trade well, I trade well when we have strong breaks up and a deep retracement, a strong break up and a deep retracement. That's when I can trade at my best. That's when my strategy is at its best. But these conditions, there's no deep retracements, so I keep getting faked out on shorts, and that's basically been my problem this week. This whole week here, which has been here, this move here, I've just been taking shorts. Every single trade has been a short because I've been expecting the retracement, like it normally happens here. After we take a week high, we have a big retracement, and I've been expecting that, and that hasn't happened. So if anyone has any kind of like advice, anyone who's like profitable at trading or better than me at trading, has learned to deal with these conditions, what they've done in terms of their strategy, do they trade a different variation of it or do they avoid trading at all? Because I feel like I have a problem with over-analyzing. Like every losing trade, or like after a couple losing trades, I'll like tweak something or add something or remove something to the point where my strategy just becomes extremely complicated, and I've just added all these bunch of rules that's just like way too much. It makes a strategy too overcomplicated when a strategy is supposed to be simple. So I'm trying to find the balance at the point where I'm realizing, okay, this loss is just a normal loss, this is going to happen, and to a point where I'm losing this many trades. What do I need to change about myself or my strategy? But then what's the point where I'm also changing too many things? Now my strategy is way too overcomplicated. So I really need advice on that. If anyone can help me out, it will be quite good. So yeah, so this is the same thing that happened when I got funded. During the challenge was trading conditions like these. And then once I got funded on the live account, I don't know what happened. I think it was just psychology. But yeah, I just lost every trade after that. And I wasn't even risking a lot. And I was actually lowering the risk. So I started off at 1%. I lost like 2 or 3 trades. I lowered to 0.5%. I lost another 2 or 3 trades. And then I lowered to 0.25%. And then I kept losing more trades. So yeah. So yeah, just a lot of things to think about. But I'm glad I'm starting to notice what type of conditions my strategy is not so favorable in. And I know what to kind of do now in conditions like these. I should be looking more at longs. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling now. We'll get into the strategy itself. So in my rules, I trade a 1 minute retracement as soon as a 4 hour shifts like this. As soon as the 4 hour gets swept, I wait for the shift and then trade a sweep. As soon as it gets swept, I trade a 1 minute shift. Or if it's just swept up and it's kept going up, I need to wait for a strong confirmation that we've turned bullish. So a mid time frame change of character and breaker structure, or a higher time frame 1 hour, 4 hour breaker structure down. So then the pro trend trade becomes a bearish trade. And I will go through these trades. So basically I'm trying to trade a retracement from like here Monday. This is where I lost 2 trades from. I'm trying to trade retracements from this daily breaker structure, and then I'm trying to trade retracements up here from this daily breaker structure, and I keep trying to just catch the move down, but price keeps moving up. So what I did wrong on these 2 trades is I'm trading my 1 minute change of character shift setup when price is already broken way past this. We've had 2 1 hour breaker structures. I've now added in my rules to not do this. I'm only going to trade that 1 minute shift right after it sweeps. So right after it sweeps. And it's close to it, But once it's swept and then a 1 hour break of structure has occurred and it's swept again, I'm not gonna trade that 1 minute shift until we have another 4 hour swing structure, or until we've had like a 1 hour change of character down, or strong 15-minute change of characters down. So that's what I've added to my rules. So that was my mistake with these two trades. I traded the 1 minute continuation, not 1 minute continuation, just the 1 minute reversal after a high time frame sweep, but it was just way too high. And yeah, I just got stopped out on both of those. Those were the two trades yesterday. And then today's trade, I believe it was just unlucky. So we had a good 15-minute shift down, strong displacement, strong bearish displacement, followed by a 15-minute break structure down. That's a double confirmation. So I kind of just thought we were gonna be bearish from this point and just retrace up until like whatever range, like whether it was up here or down here. I thought this is where the big retracement was coming, but no, prices shot up literally straight through. As soon as I entered, like my limit order was there, it tagged me in and then went straight to my stop loss. And there was no news here either, so I'm not even sure what happened, where all this volume came from, but I think today was just an unlucky trade. And this is just a forward test now. Yeah, I'm just forward testing. This is just a 5-minute change of character down, mid time frame change of character, direct trade off the mid time frame. And it's also a 5-minute type 1, and there's also a nice 1-minute shift. So a couple good confluences, and it's a mid time frame order flow shift, so could be it could go well, but I'm not going to take it because I'm just not doing too well in these conditions. I'm not doing too well this week, and I've lost a lot of trades this week already, so, and I've lost a trade today, so I'm not trying to keep trading. I'm just going to take it slow, just going to forward test, review, analyze. I've already done that a lot, and I'm telling you guys now what I reviewed, what I've analyzed from my mistakes, and that's what I'm going to be trying to capitalize on. So in terms of our risk management, we are doing well from our goals that we set out last week. It's Wednesday and I've only taken 5 trades. At this point last week, I had already taken about like 10 trades. So we're already taking a lot less trades. We're avoiding a lot more losses. We are improving. We are realizing what type of conditions our strategy is highest probability in, and we're going to stick to this strategy. We just have to learn it better. We have to just learn absolutely everything about it, when it works, when it doesn't. And I already have a lot of data on it. That's why I started this funding challenge, but I didn't really have any data on high time frame conditions like these. But also, I thought I was very prepared when I did my funded challenge on JBP, JPY, and I had loads of data. I did demos, I got funded, and then right after I got funded, I just couldn't win the trade anymore. So I don't think I'm a bad trader technical wise, but I'm not a great trader in terms of psychology, because when there is, I guess, some sort of pressure, I do kind of fold. I'm not completely cold yet. I'm not fully like ice in the veins. Can't fold under pressure. I very much do fold under pressure. Well, not fold, but just like, let's just say, a decrease in performance under pressure. Unless I'm fighting, that's like the one thing where like I thrive under pressure when I'm doing sports. But yeah, trading, it's not the same. So I'm not sure. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. You got any tips for me, any advice for me, I would highly appreciate it. Let me know how you guys' trading weeks have been. I'm very interested in hearing that as well. I'm going to get my day in the life video uploaded very soon, either today or tomorrow. I'm going to edit this video, which doesn't take long to edit, and then upload it. And then I will see if I will edit the day in the life video either tonight or tomorrow morning. So I can edit it tonight, but I just have to make the choice whether I feel like destroying my sleep schedule or not. So I mean, you guys will see anyway whenever it's uploaded. I doubt there's anyone like, I'm talking as if like there's millions of you guys like waiting for my uploads, but there isn't. So this doesn't really matter anyway. But one day there will be. One day there will be tens, thousands, and hundreds of thousands and millions of you guys watching me when I am a profitable trader, which is going to be very soon. You can mark my words. You can take my word for that. If I don't, you have permission to kill me. That's how confident I am that I will be a profitable trader. I already know I am. I am a profitable trader. Like, I've lost 5 trades in a row. And the statistics and the quantitative numbers show I'm not a profitable trader. But I don't believe that. I still believe I am a profitable trader. Okay. Anyway, that's just a mindset for you guys. Alright, goodbye.